What's the meaning of barbecue sauce? Barbecue sauce. Barbecue sauce.
Barbecue sauce. Barbecue sauce. Barbecue sauce is a type of condiment that is commonly used as a marinade or glaze for meats, particularly those that are grilled or barbecued. It is typically made from a base of tomatoes or vinegar, combined with spices, sweeteners, and other flavorings. The exact ingredients and flavor of barbecue sauce can vary widely depending on regional and personal preferences. Some popular variations include sweet and tangy sauces, smoky and spicy sauces, and mustard-based sauces. Barbecue sauce is a staple in many parts of the world, particularly in the southern United States, where it is often used to enhance the flavor of pork, chicken, and beef dishes.